Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. What a rocket ship we had here, guys, with the SNTG. First saw this alert on, if I can drag it over there, yeah, my 10-day daily breakout. We had a lot of good ones here, but this was probably one of, well, ADTX was really good also, but the SNTG, 9:48 Eastern Time, 265 was the price. And what did it do from there? Well, there was the alert right at this level here, 265, or right around here. Sorry, but my cursor is just sort of stuck. There we go. And what a rocket ship. Now, before it pulled back at all, so it went from 236 all the way up to 554. You probably would have sold some in this area because, I mean, you can't let, we wouldn't have known if it was going to go all the way back. But maybe hold on to some, and then look what it did after that. Before it pulled back again, got up to 640, maybe sold some more here, and then all the way up to, what was that price? 842. So, I mean, this may get going later on in the day. I mean, it has a nice little pullback, but it looks like it's trying to base a bit here. It's a low float, only 1 million. It's a China stock. I don't think we even saw any news why. It doesn't really matter. All we saw was the chart, and the chart was telling us, man, is this a rocket ship? So anyway, that was definitely the trade of the day in the trading room. So listen, this is the last trading day of the year, so wish everybody a happy new year. And remember, the markets are closed on Monday, so we will see you Tuesday. So again, happy new year, everybody.